welcome to my channel. I know I have not been on YouTube for like a month now. You guys probably saw my last video and you're like, it's been a week, but you know Khadijah, she procrastinates everything. But you guys know that I did take a break because of Raya and I went to Australia and all of that. So I'm finally back and I'm so excited for you guys to watch this video and see me listen to my voice, because I'm from sick to a glam makeup look. I miss you guys. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in such a long time, and like it's so crazy that I've not filmed for like a month and a half. Like, it's insane. So anyways, before we get started with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know what to do with that. Oh my god, it sounds so nasally. If you guys want to know how I got from that to this, then just please keep on watching. Yep, for anyone wondering, it's been 3 weeks. I'm still sick. Okay, so before we continue with the video, I just want to say that lashes are definitely not an important aspect when you're doing a sick to glam makeup. But for me, because sometimes I feel like my eyes just look very small and very, like, I'm looking down and I just don't look as good, and my lashes tend to look very ugly when I'm sick. I don't know why, but it does. So what I do is I use lashes to actually open up my eyes a little bit more, make myself look a bit more prettier. So lashes are definitely not an important aspect, because I know not everyone uses lashes on the daily and don't even use lashes in general. So you don't have to do lashes, but for me, I do. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how my eyelashes look without lashes. So these are without the lashes, so it still will give you a very nice lash look, but of course with lashes it just looks more of a voom. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, I am using Huda Beauty lashes, and these are in the style Samantha. These are the most natural ones that I kind of own, and I love them so much. I probably will buy like 20 backups because I'm freaking obsessed with this lash style. Even without lashes, it looks good. So it really depends on if you use lashes all the time or if you don't use lashes. Okay, another tip that I have is when you're sick, use a little bit of a brighter color, as in like your top. So I would use something white, pink, yellow, anything that actually brings out the nerve of your face. I don't want to get all religious up in here. Most of the times when I'm sick, I don't even think about trying to look good, because like I'm sick, I literally don't give a shit. But right now I just have a blocked nose and a bit of coughing, so it's not that bad. So now for primer, I'm taking my Benefit Professional Primer. You guys know I freaking love this. It's one of my most, probably a cult favorite primer ever. Like ever. I don't know if you guys can see, but my face is definitely more red than usual. Probably you guys can't see because of this stupid filter on this camera. I actually removed the filter, but it's still, every time when I edit it, it's still there, and I'm just like, why? Kenapa? Just kenapa? So yeah, my face looks more red, and definitely my under eye looks even more purple bluey than normal. Like, it's so bad. My under eyes are so dark and my lips are so pale that sometimes when I look at it, I'm just like, oh my god, I literally look like a corpse. Like, it's disgusting. I hate how I look right now. But you gotta do what you gotta do, girls. You gotta do it. Foundation, I'm gonna be mixing this too, just because this one is like a dewier finish and this one is more of a matte finish, and I like the look when I combine both of them. So this is the L'Oreal True Match liquid foundation, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. So I'm gonna mix them up. I usually prefer it if my foundation has more coverage, just because obviously I'm more red. For me, because I have blocked nose, so I am blowing my nose every few minutes. It's so bad. My mom's like, you've been eating like the same medicine for 3 weeks. Like, this is so bad for you. And I'm just like, I know. But like, my body literally is not healing. I don't know what to do, so makan je lah ubat. So for concealer, I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. You guys know this is literally my jam. My favorite concealer ever. I'm going to put a little bit here. If you guys notice, like, that line there, I use my spectacles a lot. But obviously when I'm going out, I don't use my spectacles. I use contact lenses. But when I'm at home, I use them, like, pretty much the whole day. I don't have such a horrible eyesight, but I find it really important that when I'm staring at my computer screen for a very long period of time, that I'm using my blue light lenses that I got, so that I can protect my eyes and I don't get tired as often because of that, and I don't get a headache because of that. Now, something that I realized is when I'm sick, my skin is much drier than normal. I have normal skin, normal to combo oily. I rarely get oily nowadays, but my skin is very normal. But when I'm sick, my skin is very, very dry, and I'm like dying because everything is blending so fast, but it's like, it's so fast and then it dries up at one place, and I'm just like, why are you doing this to me? So I tend to make myself look extra glowy when I'm sick because, like I said, my skin is extremely dry. So to set my whole entire face, I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder. No, to set my under eyes only, sorry. I don't leave it on for too long, just like a few seconds, and then I just blend it out with my sponge. I like the illusion of brighter under eyes when I'm sick because I'm gonna be honest with you, my under eyes get purple really quick on days that I get sick. And like sometimes when I come back home, like my under eyes is the first thing to come off. I'm just like, how is that possible? I never even touch my under eye, but I don't know why, but for me, like, that happens. I remember I went out with my friends, and then like at the end of the day I came back home and my under eyes were like so brown and purple, and I'm like, did I not set my under eye? Like, it doesn't even make sense. Like, it's so bad. So you gotta make sure it's extra bright. To set my whole face, I am taking my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. Just going to set my whole face with this. So I'm going to bronze my skin up because I don't want to look so one-dimensional or just like my under eyes are bright. So I'm going to take my Catrice Cosmetics, just the name rub off, but I pretty much have used this in almost a lot of my videos, so you guys will know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna contour with it as well. I know, it's so crazy. My voice has been like this for like a week and a half. I went for my cousin's wedding and everyone heard my voice and they were like, wow, your face does not reflect how you actually sound. Like, you sound sick. And I'm like, I know, I'm really sick. for blush, I think it is super duper important for you to use a blush that really brightens up your face. Okay, so any kind of like mauvey blushes, nude blushes, light pink blushes, peachy, orangey blushes, they make you look good, yes, but when you're sick, you naturally already have that kind of flushes to your skin. So what you want to do is you want to cancel it out by using like a bright pink blush to basically make your feature and your brightness and your plump and your youthfulness stand out even more. I use a really bright pink blush on my cheeks. I look very awake and very glowy. So I'm gonna teach you guys what I do. So I use my Kylie blush in the shade Virginity. This is probably one of my most favorite blush from Kylie altogether. I love this blush so much. Now, what I love about it is it does not come off bright pink immediately. So I can swirl my brush in here and put it on my cheeks, and it's still such a subtle color first. So what I love about the Kylie blushes is that you can build up the color intensity. So you don't accidentally go in with like a literal bright pink blush. Like the NARS one, if I were to swirl, I will look like a clown immediately. Like I can do this with the Kylie blushes. So you see, it looks more blushing and youthful. So yes, I put it on my nose, put it on my forehead, on my chin, just to get that effect. I look pretty crazy, but it's okay. Blush is usually always the first thing to get off your face, so it's okay if it looks crazy when you first put it on. For highlight, like I said, I love to look extra glowy when I'm sick. Like I said, because my skin gets very dry. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in So Hollywood. And I'm going to first spray my brush. I'm going to take my highlighting brush and just spray it around. Like I said, I usually always use a nude lipstick, so I'm going to take Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in, oh my god, literally the thing came off, but I'm pretty sure this is cork. Okay, and Kylie Velvet liquid lipstick in Birthday Suit, and I'm just gonna put this all over the outer and then this in the center, create that ombre effect. I'm taking my Catrice lip liner and upper brown side just to line my lips first, so you guys know I always do this. So this is the completed look. This is how I look from a sick to a glam makeup look. I did forget to do the intro of my sick look, so I probably, the lighting and everything in here will probably be different. So yay! I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. You guys did request this for me to do on my Instagram. If you guys want to be kept updated on like things on my Instagram, whether it's makeup tutorials, if I'm uploading late, if I'm uploading early, and all of that, just follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you girls. Bye! Mwah.